Good morning, students. How are you all? I am your science teacher, Lyris Sunny, and today we are going to continue our lesson, The Human Body. But before starting, let us quickly revise that what we have done in the previous class. So let's take a look at what we have learned. We have learned about the human body, the cells and the different names of cells, the tissues and different types of tissues, organs and kinds of organs, and organ system. Now let's start a class for today. Think what would it be like if there were no bones in your body? You would not be able to walk, run, sit, stand, play, or make any other movement. So, all the bones together make up a skeleton. The human skeleton is the internal framework of the human body. An adult body has about 206 bones, while as a baby we have 300 bones. It means that as we become older, some of our bones fuse together to make bigger and stronger bones. It is also present in all animals that have backbones. For example, lion, dog, cow, bear, cat, and many more. The skeleton is the framework of bones that helps us to move, gives strength and support to the body. For example, the backbone, which is called spine. It helps you to stand straight, frame the shape of your body. It protects some very important and soft internal organs. For example, the skull. The skull protects the brain. The rib cage. The rib cage protects the lungs and the heart. It also helps to move the body. Do you know that which is the smallest bone in your body? The smallest bone in your body is inside your ear, and it is known as stirrup. And which is the longest bone in your body? The longest bone in your body is your thigh bone, called the femur. This is the thigh bone. The skeletal system consists of bones and joints. Now, let me tell you all about joints. What is a joint? A joint is a place in our body where two or more bones meet with the help of tissue called ligament. You all must be thinking, what is a ligament in the body and what does it do? Ligaments are bands of tough elastic tissue around your joints. They connect bone to bone, give your joints support Joints help the bones to move, but not all joints move in adults. For example, the joints between the plates of the skull does not move in adults. Some joints move in all directions, such as the joint in your shoulder and the one in your hip. Such joints are called ball and socket joint. To make you all understand about ball and socket joint more nicely, let's do some exercise. Move your shoulders in clockwise direction. Come and do it again. Move your shoulders in clockwise direction. See what's happening. Your shoulders are moving clockwise, right? This is how ball and socket joint work. Is it clear now? There are some more joints which can only move in one direction. For example, knees and elbow. You cannot move them in opposite directions. Such joints are called hinge joints. Now we move further to the muscular system. What is the muscular system? The skeletal system is the very important system in our body, but it cannot work on its own. So, the muscular system supports the skeletal system to perform its job. Now, let me tell you all that what is the muscular system made up of. It consists of muscles and tendons. What are muscles? Muscles are all made of the same material, a type of elastic tissue. It is sort of like a material in a rubber band. What are tendons? A tendon is a fibrous connective tissue that joins muscles to bones. Tendons connect muscle to bones, allowing us to move. Now let's take a look at some muscles. There are three different types of muscles. The first one is the smooth muscle, also known as involuntary muscles. Involuntary means that we don't have conscious control on them. They are named as such because we do not have conscious control on them. These are found in the internal organs of the body. Example, in the intestines. Now comes the cardiac muscles. These are also known as involuntary muscles. These muscles are only found in the heart, as heart is constantly working and we cannot control it. The third muscle is the skeletal muscle. It is often called voluntary or stripped muscle. Voluntary or stripped means under the control of the will and is generally attached to the skeleton. It enables to move, for example, play, walk, etc. These muscles are attached to the bone with the help of a thick strand of tissue called a tendon. Now let's see what's go wrong with bones if we don't take care of them. As we grow bigger, our bones get stronger. But it can break or fracture if you fall down badly or had an accident. In the same way, as we get older, our body gets weaker and the bones can bend or break easily in older people. Now, how we can keep our bones strong? We can keep our muscles and bones strong by doing plenty of exercise, eating the right kind of food. We must eat calcium rich foods like milk, which is very important for our bones, cheese, yogurt, and many other foods which are high in calcium and helps to build strong bones. So students, you all must have calcium rich foods to stay healthy and keep your bones strong. I hope you all enjoyed and understood the lesson very nicely. Now for the home task. You have to do the following questions. Question number 1. What are the main functions of the skeleton? Question number 2. What is a joint? Name the two types of joint and define them. Question number 3. How many types of muscles are there and name them. Question number 4. How can we keep our bones strong? Question number 5. Do exercise 2 of page 9 and exercise 3 page 10. Do all the homework on a foolscape sheet, punch it in a file and submit in the office on Wednesday with your name and class written on it. This is all for today. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.